Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariah. Please make sure that before you leave, you subscribe to my channel for more, and also make sure that you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, all the socials so that we can become besties. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to be reverting my straight hair that I've had for an entire month. Yes, it's been an entire month that my hair has been flat ironed, straightened, pressed out, blown out, blew out, and it is time for the curls to make their comeback. Hopefully seamlessly, without any issues, without any heat damage. I really want to go the extra mile, add in a few more steps, zhuzh it up if you will, just to make sure that we don't get any heat damage. And let's just get right into it. So first things first, I'm going to just take down this dingy ponytail that I have had in my hair, and I will give you guys just a little bit of a close-up of what my hair is currently looking like. It's not really all that straight anymore. I know some people would say you can still continue to wear it in this state, but I want to feel my curls. I also just want to like wash my scalp. I've been using a lot of edge control and pomades and things to kind of slick my hair down. The first thing that I'm going to do, instead of just like hopping right into the shower and starting my wash routine, I'm going to actually section my hair into 4 sections. They don't need to be perfect. I'm just going to start with a light little pass through with my fingers just to get out whatever knots or tangles. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in with a water-based type product, Sunday to Sunday Root Refresh Micellar Rinse infused with apple cider vinegar. I'm going to start by just spraying the product on my roots, rubbing it into my scalp. It feels so good already. I'm just going to massage it gently in, and I'm actually going to spray it on my ends now too, and actually go down the whole kind of length of my hair. And let's see if we can get these curls to start coming back. I see a small little wave making its way in. I'm also going to go ahead and go in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. I want to get back into the swing of really taking care of my hair, treating it, you know, spending that extra time to really sit there in deep condition. When I was first transitioning my hair from heat damaged, heat trained hair back to my curls, I used to use my steamer religiously. Like every week it would be a part of my routine. I would sit down on like a Saturday and I would just pick up my favorite hair mask, and then I would actually use my steamer, and then I would rinse it out and style it as normal. And I noticed that I really stopped doing that once my hair got to a point where I was like pleased with it, and I felt like the heat damage was gone and my curls were reverted fully and they were popping, or at least from what I thought they were. I will definitely insert some pictures so that you guys can see what my hair looked like at that time, but I thought that that was all I needed. So once my curls started doing what I wanted them to, I kind of just let that good practice go by the wayside, which is not the best. So just a little update, the curls look like they are coming back. I'm actually gonna go in now with my Denman brush and just give it a little light brush through, just to encourage the curls to coil back up a little bit. One thing I will say though is that this side of my hair is my like problem side, or like my more finicky side. The curls are already looser on this side. My curls just need a little bit of a boost. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep doing the combination of Sunday to Sunday Root Refresh and the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner along with my Denman brush. I'm going to see how quickly I can get my curls to come back, and then I will come back to you guys once we're about to hop into the shower, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about the products that we're gonna use then. Okay guys, I'm back. I just did the last section of my hair. I'm just like massaging that micellar water into my scalp so I can really make sure that I'm getting all that product buildup off. And as you guys can see, this side looks a lot looser than this side. As I was explaining in the beginning, I'm not worried about it because my hair has always been like that. The front section of this, like the front quadrant really, this whole front piece is always like that. The curls are just naturally way looser on this side. They're super delicate, and I knew that going into straightening and flat iron and putting any kind of heat on my hair that it was gonna look like this once I'm reverting. So I'm not concerned. Hopefully you guys are not either. The rest of my hair bounced back super quickly. My curls look like they're all intact. I definitely need a trim, which I have been saying for the longest time. I'm trying to find someone here in LA that I can go to that knows how to cut naturally curly hair that isn't gonna charge me $550 to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the shower, and to wash my hair, I'm going to just use the same Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I'm gonna use their shampoo and their conditioner. I'm actually gonna go in with my tried and true Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair mask, and I will come back to you guys once we have the mask in and once we're about to start steaming our hair. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and as you can see, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. So I know I initially said that I was going to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Instead, I reached for the Red Beauty Supply hair wash. I feel like I don't use that enough, and it's such an amazing product. And then I rinsed that out, and then I followed up with Olaplex number 3, just from changing up my little routine from those few steps of just like finger detailing, spritzing my hair with product, putting a little bit of conditioner. I noticed that my hair shed way less than it did the last time that I was going from straight to curly, and I think it's because I really took my time to like treat my hair gently before I was just literally getting in the shower and pouring water on it, which you absolutely should not do. Take it from me. I noticed that when I did do that, I had tons and tons of shedding, and it was to a point where I was like, am I going bald? But no, it's just because I did it completely wrong. Don't do that. Learn from me. Make sure that you finger detangle your hair before you get in the shower, or if you're just rinsing your hair in the sink, whatever it is that you're doing. Next things next, we need to go ahead and deep condition and steam our hair. This is the handheld Q Redo hair steamer. I'm gonna go ahead and put in our deep conditioner, and then I will be back once we start steaming our hair. I put in the hair mask or the deep conditioner, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil mask. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start steaming my hair. I'm just going to start by going down the length of my hair, just from the top, and just bringing it down, holding the trigger and steaming. You guys can see that there are like little combs kind of on the steamer itself, so it acts like its own brush. And I'm just gonna keep going through the length of both sides of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do this to both sides of my hair, and then I will be back. Okay y'all, I'm back. I've been sitting here for probably like 20 or 30 minutes just steaming my hair. It feels super soft. Even on this side, the little pieces that I was telling you about that are much looser, you can see that they're coming back a little bit more, and they are blending in a lot better with my hair. I guess I'll just come back to you guys either later on tonight or tomorrow after I've actually done my wash and go routine, styled my hair, to see what the hair is looking like. Hey guys, so I am back. It's actually been a week or so, don't kill me. I wanted to make sure that I came back on camera to show you all what the hair is looking like after I've done my full wash and go routine. You guys can tell that I desperately need a haircut, and thankfully since the last time that we started this whole journey, I have scheduled my curly haircut. I have an appointment scheduled for the first week of August, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys along on that process so you can really see the before and after. I'm really looking forward to getting somewhat of a shape back into my hair. Just want to learn a little bit more about like a better routine that I can get into to make sure that I'm really taking care of my curls so that my hair can grow longer, stronger. Enough rambling. In terms of products that I used, I only used 2, Camille Rose Natural Curl Love Moisture Milk, and then I followed up immediately with Terra Veda Organics Curl Slayer. And then for my edges, I went in with my tried and true Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Control Edge Glaze. This is my wash and go, and I'll get up close so you guys can see what it looks like. I feel like it goes like this. Like there's a section in the middle that's way shorter than the 2 sides of my hair or the lengths of my hair, and so that is also something that I am really looking forward to Shy hopefully being able to fix when he cuts my hair. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I hope that you all are able to take some things away about my technique, but also I want to know what your favorite wash day products are. I want to know what conditioners you use, your stylers, your shampoos. Is there anything that I did that you haven't tried and that you're interested in maybe implementing into your next wash day? Let me know all of that down below in the comment section. Of course, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel, that you're following me on Instagram and TikTok, and of course, make sure that you share this video with someone that you think might need to see it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!